If you're a homeowner in Redmond, Washington, considering new windows, you probably have two key questions. How long will it take, and what should you expect during the process? Whether you're upgrading for better energy efficiency, aesthetics, or to resolve issues like drafts and condensation, understanding the window installation timeline is essential for a smooth, stress-free experience. Here's what Redmond residents should know about the typical window installation process, from planning to completion. Initial consultation and estimate, 1 to 2 weeks. The first step is to schedule a consultation with a local window contractor. During this meeting, a professional will inspect your existing windows, discuss your goals, and recommend suitable styles and materials. You'll receive a detailed estimate that outlines costs, timelines, and available options. Tip for Redmond homeowners: choose a contractor who understands the Pacific Northwest climate. Moisture resistance, insulation, and proper sealing are essential for year-round comfort and energy savings in this region. Product selection and ordering, 2 to 4 weeks. Once you've chosen your window styles, frame materials, and energy-efficient options, like double pane or low-E glass, your contractor will place the order. Custom-sized or specialty windows can take longer to arrive than standard models, especially if you're selecting wood or fiberglass frames. Most window manufacturers require 2 to 4 weeks for production and delivery. During this time, your contractor will schedule your installation date. Preparation and scheduling, 1–2 days before installation. Before installation begins, you'll receive instructions on how to prepare your home. This may include moving furniture or window treatments, clearing outdoor areas near the windows, deactivating security sensors on windows, making arrangements for pets or children if needed. This step ensures the installation crew can work efficiently and safely. Window installation day, 1–2 days for most homes. The actual installation timeline depends on how many windows you're replacing and whether you're doing a full frame or retrofit installation. Retrofit installation, replacing the window without removing the frame, is quicker, typically 30 to 60 minutes per window. Full frame installation, removing the entire window and frame, takes longer, up to 2 hours per window, but is better for addressing structural or moisture issues. For the average Redmond home with 10 to 15 windows, installation usually takes 1 to 2 full days. Professional installers will remove the old windows, clean and prepare the opening, install new windows securely and seal them properly, ensure each window opens, closes, and locks smoothly, clean up the work area, a final inspection and walkthrough, same day or next day. After installation, your contractor will do a walkthrough with you to ensure everything meets your expectations. This includes testing the windows, reviewing warranty information, and answering any final questions. Make sure to check smooth operation of sashes and locks, proper caulking and weather sealing, clean, damage-free glass and frames, post-installation touch-ups, if needed. Occasionally, Minor adjustments or touch-ups, like trim painting or reattaching blinds, may be scheduled after installation. These are typically handled within a few days of the main job and don't significantly affect the overall timeline. Factors that can affect the timeline. Weather. While window installers work in most conditions, heavy rain or freezing temperatures, rare but possible in Redmond, can delay work. Custom orders. Unusual window shapes or materials may take longer to arrive. Permits. Depending on your home's age or the scope of the project, permits may be required, adding a few days to the prep process. Final thought. For Redmond residents, replacing windows typically takes 4 to 6 weeks from start to finish, with installation itself usually done in 1 to 2 days. Working with a reliable, local contractor ensures your project stays on schedule, and your home is fitted with windows designed for the Pacific Northwest climate. If you're ready to upgrade your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal, a well-planned window installation will deliver results you can enjoy for years to come.